There are two famous anti-aging injection treatments by which you reduce the wrinkles and look like young. The first treatment is very popular, Botox treatment. In that treatment, protein injection used to relax our face muscle, so wrinkles on muscle disappear. Protein injection can use in Botox treatment. Second treatment is also injection based dermal filler treatment. Dermal filler treatment in which some chemical can use some chemical can be used to reduce the wrinkle on the face. Third treatment is not so popular but it is also well done. Third treatment is plasma treatment. PRP, platelet-rich plasma treatment. PRP treatment in which plasma in our own blood can use to reduce the wrinkle on our face. This treatment as all, they are chemical artificial treatment. The natural beauty is natural beauty. So encourage the natural beauty to reduce the wrinkle. Must do pranayam, yogasan, exercise, eat the seasonal fruits, seasonal vegetables. So these are the best of this treatment. Share beautiful information to the maximum so they know what is artificial, what is real, and what is good for you. Decide what is best for you, natural or artificial. Decide. Share this thought. Share. Thanks.